It's on.
It's on. So it's October 16th,
Yeah.
2012. Dave and I out on our 50-mile bike ride from Council Bluffs to Malvern and back. And we're in this amazing railroad bridge that's about, I don't know, 4 miles outside of Malvern. On the creek bed, you can see these railroad boxcars. I don't know if they're there by accident or deliberately for flood control or what. I wonder if it was an accident and they just said to hell with it.
Yeah. Somebody knows.
Yeah. Amazing out here. So quiet.
People can finally see what I've told them about as far as this bridge is concerned. I'm just going to do sort of a
Pan back.
Yeah, spin.
Oh, you've been telling some people about the bridge?
Oh, yeah.
It's amazing.
And I have run into people that knew what I was talking about because they've been here.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
All right. I think I'll conclude it there.